Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to episode 3 of Can I Rebuild the Worst NFL Franchise in the League, the New Orleans Saints. Last episode, we played the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and we won. So I did sim a little bit more to Week 11, and I did trade for some new guys. We got Tariq Woolen, Will Howard, and Torrey Horton. But anyways, guys, if you guys are enjoying this series so far, subscribe. It helps a lot. If you guys don't like the future videos, you guys can always unsubscribe. All right, so we're going to play full game. So it looks like we're kicking off to the Cleveland Browns for the first half of the game. Yeah, sit down, buddy. Forgot the Cleveland Browns got Shedeur Sanders. I don't know why he's starting. I feel like they could have had anyone else, like Joe Flacco or, you know, kind of literally anyone else. I think, honestly, if we focus more on defense and we stop them, all we got to do is just score like a touchdown or two, we'll be fine. Give me that. Hey! Shedeur Sanders, what are you doing, buddy? You just want to give the game to us. I'm okay with that. That's embarrassing. All right, it's 3rd and 10. I'd like to dump it down to Brandon Cooks, but I really don't think he's going to be open. Oh, maybe he is. No, he's not. Oh, that's so bad. You know what? We're going for it. We're going for it. And baby, Brandon Cooks wide open. Spin move. Can he go all the way? Oh my gosh. 72 yards for Brandon Cooks. Finally, we can make a completion. I really didn't think we got it, but I'm happy we did. Chris Olave, touchdown Saints! Chris Olave for the diving touchdown. Oh, all right, we can make it. It's fine. Score 7-0 now. Honestly, not too bad for the first time on the field. I think, honestly, again, if we just, on offense, we just take it 1 yard at a time, we'll be fine. Because right now, it's not looking too bad. Or if Shedeur Sanders just, you know, just cooks. I don't know if he'll cook. Okay, all right. I want that. Oh my gosh. Why can't I pick that again? That's embarrassing. Should have picked that off. I'm going to be honest. Shedeur Sanders is kind of horrible. He's not really doing good right now. I don't know if it's our defense is just that good or if it's Shedeur Sanders is that bad. Okay. Not a bad first run for Alvin Kamara. 9 yards. Okay, Chris Olave. No! Chris Olave fumbles! Oh my gosh, what are we doing, guys? A booth review? Doesn't matter. Chris Olave, they're going to count it as a catch after the booth review. All right, so that saved us from possibly a really bad situation. All right, so the start of the second quarter, we're going to throw it. I think, honestly, I'd like to give it to Cole Kmet, but I really don't think he's going to be able to do it. Trying to dump it down to Brandon Cooks, who can make the grab. What a play. He's doing great for us right now. I think one of the best games he's had so far. Chris Olave. Okay, what are we doing, pal? What are we doing? He's just staring at it. Oh, that was horrible. Give it to Means. Okay, all right. He can't catch a ball either. Come on, guys. What are we doing? Okay. Trey Lance gets almost killed by Myles Garrett. Make sure he doesn't take off the helmet and hits him over the head like he did with with Mason Rudolph. Scores 10-0. Can the Browns put some points on the board, or can they just, their offense just keep being horrible? It seems like their entire offense just isn't gonna go down. Okay. All right. He's not that good. We can tackle him. What are we doing? Looks like they're taking it 1 yard at a time. Or nah. I thought. And Jerry Jeudy just still had to hit stick him twice. Dump it down to Tyler Gio. Dude, why is he not going down? He is refusing to go down, and I don't like it. Okay, and David Njoku. Our whole defense has to go tackle one player every time they give the ball off now. All right, they're getting awfully a little too close to the end zone. I'm not liking this. All right, okay. Alrighty, he's wide open. Jerry Jeudy, come on, man. I don't really understand why we're doing that. Alright, so they did score. Okay, so we're only up by 3 now. We got 36 seconds left. I honestly think if the best situation could happen right now, and that's scoring, if it's 3 points or even 7 points, I'm okay with it. Oh, where's Trey Lance throwing? All right, Stephon Gilmore. It seems like that could happen. Stephon Gilmore picks us off. I'm going to be honest. I'm a little in shock right there. I don't know what happened. I really don't. The fact that the Browns are actually doing pretty good and they're getting easy yardage is actually baffling me. How stupid we're playing. Okay, thank you, Shadar, for throwing it absolutely nowhere. All right, if we stop them right here, from even getting a first down, we're fine. And Shador, what is he doing? He just says, all right, I'm going to just throw it through the goalposts. All right. So they're going to tie the game up. I'm just going to put Will Howard in there. I hope he does so much better than whatever the hell that ball was from Trey Lance. All right, so now we got Will Howard in, the rookie out of Ohio State. Alvin Kamara is refusing to get taken down, is able to get the first down, so that's pretty good. All right, Will Howard got hit as he was throwing. Wide open is Cole Kmet. Oh, first down and more by Cole Kmet. I'm not gonna lie, I know Will Howard has just been in, but his throwing, everything's not that bad. His throw under pressure is not bad. They have Myles Garrett right in his face. Pause.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Brandon Cooks, what a catch, and what a throw by the rookie. Something Trey Lance possibly couldn't have done. I know every episode we're possibly changing quarterbacks, because, you know, this is our third episode with probably a different quarterback. It's just, we gotta find someone. Maybe, I think honestly Will Howard is that guy. Cole Kmet with the touchdown. Will Howard with the throw. I think we got our duo right there. Okay, honestly, I think if we just keep them from getting this first down, I think we're in good. Okay, and we just don't. Okay, I don't know what we're doing. I really don't. Maybe we need to fire our defensive coordinator. I'm gonna be honest. Shador Sanders did not like me saying that he was bad. He didn't like that. My defense is playing so garbage, but it's all right. Okay, for the Browns right now, this is embarrassing what my defense is doing. All right. What am I doing? What is my defense doing? This is awful. Okay, I just went around him. I don't know what I'm doing. Quinshon Judkins couldn't get anything. So he got, instead of a gain, they got a loss. So now it's 3rd and 6. They're throwing it. Oh, maybe not. Run it again with Quinshon Judkins, but again, it's a loss of yardage. 4th and 7. Are they gonna kick it or are they gonna go for it? Who knows? Let's go! Okay, Alvin Kamara, I've never seen him get thrown like that. Will Howard with the throw. Oh my gosh! What am I doing? Denzel Ward with the pick. I don't know what I'm doing. Nah, they're not beating us. They are not beating us. They're not. I'm going to let him score. I'm letting him score. I'm letting him score. I'm letting him score. I'm letting him score. I have to. I have to. I really truly believe that we can do this. We have 58 seconds left. That is more than enough time to possibly score even 3 points and take this game home. Will Howard, game on the line! What a throw by Will Howard! What a throw by the rookie to hopefully bring this game home. That's why I let them score. Because I believe in Will Howard. Honestly, we're just going to run this. I'm going to take the 3. Unless Alvin Kamara just scores here. I'm going to take the 3 points. Easily take this lead. And then just win the game. The kick is up and it's good. The New Orleans Saints are your winners. Thank you, Will Howard. I honestly think he might be our starter. If you guys loved the episode, keep watching the series. And I'll see you guys in the next one.